KSP TV, and today we're going to share a fun DIY, and that's all the rage. That's all what kids are talking about. That's what they're trading in the bus, that's what they're trading in school, and we're talking about fidget spinners. Yes, we've obviously gone a little creative with this, with no nuts, bolts, bearings, but that's what's fun because it's very easy and appeals to kids of all age types, and you can get as creative as you want with these, and they are super easy to make. So let's get started. So clearly, as you can see, I cannot get over spinning this again and again, and it spins really well. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, like, comment, and of course leave all the comments of all the fun videos that you guys want to watch, you guys.